Antenna Technologies, an NGO of scientists in Geneva, Switzerland, has 10 years' experience on spirulina with its subsidiary in Madurai, India, and with production centers in Asia and Africa. Their story is one of hope, of realism, of making the spirulina story one of a virtuous spiral. We are now in Madurai, a medium-sized town in southern India. This unit with 40 tanks is operated by 15 women. It can produce a total of 4 kilograms of dry spirulina per day. The technology is simple. The basins are made from truck tarpaulins of 6 by 3 meters. The spirulina algae grows in warm water, best in hot climates between 25 and 35 degrees. It is almost microscopic in the form of a spiral. All you need is a tank of water, about 20 centimeters deep, sunlight, heat, and a cover. In order to grow, the culture needs an alkaline solution with a pH value of 9 to 11 made by adding fertilizers. These are totally absorbed by the growing algae, avoiding any risk of pollution. You can produce 150 grams of dry spirulina on a clear day, in a basin of about 20 square meters, less on rainy and colder days. The production process is relatively easy and can be mastered by the village women. Growing spirulina needs a lot of care. Every 2 hours the water should be stirred. Once a day, the water is passed through a filter mesh and the spirulina is harvested. The algae form a kind of slurry. Then the water is drained in a simple press. And with another simple tool, strands are made and prepared for drying. The dried strands are then ground in a mixer and packed. After harvesting, another task is to replace the fertilizer in the tank. How much depends on the weight of the harvested spirulina. The women calculate how much fertilizer they need to add. Because some adults find the smell and deep green color a bit strong, special products have been created to suit them. For children, it's great mixed with cereals like roasted millet or groundnuts, some sugar and perhaps some cardamom. An almost ideal product is the Indian Chikki energy bar.